Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Austin Fish-Farner over here at SCI Distribution, and we've been getting quite a few questions about the RZR Factory Pro R. So we thought we would put together a couple videos to show you some of the key components of the factory vehicle. Another common question we get is, what does the vehicle come with when I order it? Well, some of the items that it comes with is BFG tires on method wheels, along with rigid lights and Sparco seats inside. The cool part about the vehicle is we intentionally left some options open so that you can customize it to fit your own race needs. So some of the customizable options that are available depending on your wants and needs are items such as the navigation systems like the GPS, internal communications in the car such as radio and intercom, along with certain items that you really like during a race like your air pumper system. All of those can be integrated into the car with some of our upfit packages that we offer. Along with that, we offer different spare parts packages that come with the car as well, such as a jack, the axle, different spare parts that you might need during a race.